I am Job. Once a man of great fortune now. Well, let me tell you my story. In the land of Uz, I lived a life of abundance and righteousness. My family was large, my flocks numerous, and my faith unshakable. Each day I offered sacrifices for my children just in case they had sinned. But then, everything changed. In a single day, I lost it all. My wealth, my children, gone. As if that weren't enough, my body was afflicted with painful sores. I sat in ashes, scraping my skin, a shadow of my former self. I questioned God, demanding answers. Why me? I cried out. My wife urged me to curse God and die, but I refused. My friends came, offering explanations, but their words brought no comfort. Days turned into weeks, and still, I found no peace. Then, from a whirlwind, God spoke. His words humbled me. I realized my place in the grand tapestry of existence. Who was I to question the Creator of all things? My story is one of suffering, yes, but also of unwavering faith and restoration. In your darkest moments, remember, faith can carry you through any storm.